Alright, back on this thing again.
Okay with it? Oh, you got the blade gun? Okay.
You always want to make sure you got root your hands under here. Joe wants to pinch his hands out that way, don't go up very
I
high.
really don't want to.
Well, that's why he stopped right there. Okay, we took the spark plugs out, so now we got to pull the push rod covers out and see if the lifters are pumped up. We got a parachute cord hanging down here like that. There you go.
I'll get ahead of myself.
Leave the parts on the table so we don't lose them.
Just leave them on the table?
Yeah. So the covers off, they go like this. Pushing down that, pull the cover out. Okay, so most of the oil went down the motor last night, not up in the covers.
It's sealed up good anyways, isn't it?
Okay.
I have another set of tubes too if we need to do that.
Okay, go put that thing in high gear. Let's turn the thing around until top dead center on one of the cylinders. I don't care which one.
High gear.
So there's a shifter over there.
You need a screwdriver putting something to see when we're up?
Put a finger over the hole works for me. Works better on the bottom of the wheel.
I can't reach it.
Works better on the bottom of the wheel.
With my hand? Is that what you're saying?
I said on the bottom, I didn't say the back. You have to listen to what I say.
Instead of going here, go here.
There you go. You know why you do that?
No?
Fender cut your hands off.
I'm not this big.
Don't force it. You're trying to turn the motor over. Don't do it that way.
Okay.
Use your leverage your body. See how you got leverages here?
Yeah.
You got pulling back and forth. You're trying to go back here and go like that. There's no damn way you can do it.
I'm trying to like put my finger on there too. I have no strength for that.
Well, why are you back doing what I just told you not what to do? Why are you doing what I just told you not to do? Did I do that? Did I show you how to do that? Did I show you what to do? So back up. Back up. Okay, you clear?
Back up.
Okay.
Now watch.
You watching this time?
Yeah.
Okay, see this? See, I can move it pretty easy?
Yeah.
See, I'm not up here playing fucking Mr. Jockey over here trying to do a big bowl thing, do
I'm
you?
not gonna know when it gets to the top of the center though.
You got your finger over the hole? If you can't
I don't have
pull,
as much strength as you have, I guess.
we'll push then. Are you in high gear?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's those valve springs you got in there. That's all valve spring you're fighting. Stiff ass valve spring, aren't they? Use the tire. Sure you're in high gear?
Not clicking no more. Just come up or just go past?
Was that pushing or sucking?
It just pushed out.
Okay, we'll keep going.
Sucking now.
Sucking means you went too far. That was a suck. That's what. Ooh.
Huh?
I recognize sucking. You don't know.
Going backwards.
You don't know the difference between sucking and blowing.
Yeah. Well, going top dead center, going backwards?
Does the crank go back both directions? Go the same thing?
Yeah, I just feel like it's sucking right now, so I gotta.
Well, if you're sucking, you're going the wrong way.
What if I pass it up and want to go back?
If you're sucking, you're going down. Are you trying to get the bottom dead center or top dead center?
Huh?
Well, then, if you're sucking, go the other way.
Yeah,
See, that was a blow. Now you're probably
now
sucking.
sucking.
Well, then go back the other way. Between suck and blow is the high spot. Thought you understood this stuff. All right, you done screwing around over there? That was a suck.
Blowing right now.
That's good. When it puts blowing, you're all the way up.
Quit.
You done blowing? No blowing and no sucking?
I think so.
Good. No blowing, no suck means you're there. All right. See? Okay, now we go over here. And we find out what the hell is going on with the lifters. Okay, those are not moving.
So it's not where it needs to be.
It means
Could be on some pressure.
they got oil in them.
Oh.
They're not moving up or down. Okay, let's go to the next hole.
Piston's right there. Back one?
Now we go to the back one. You were on the back one before, but you want to go all the way around the motor. I think you went around the motor at least twice. You were
No
having,
idea what this one.
you were having fun. You only got to go one turn at a time, see? I heard some suck, some blowing there. Is it done blowing?
Sucking now.
Well, sucking means you went too far. That sounded like a suck, too.
That was a blow.
Like a blow. Must be close.
This is sucking. It gotta be right there.
Oh, yeah, well, if you had your screwdriver, you could cut in the hole and find out. You didn't bring your Phillips screwdriver with you, did you? That's not a Phillips screwdriver. You're gonna break my screwdriver off, I'm gonna get really pissed.
This one needs to come up a little bit more.
I think it's pretty high in the air to me.
It's going down.
I know, that's because you went down. Do you notice how it stayed down the whole time you did that?
The screwdriver?
Did you notice how the more you turned that wheel the wrong direction, it kept going down further and further and
Trying to
further?
go back up. Now it's coming back up and going back down again.
That's because you went all the way through that whole stroke. The screwdriver was hitting the piston.
It is now.
Then it didn't hit for like half a turn.
Yeah.
What do you think happened?
I was trying to get it back up.
What do you think happened?
It's going down.
You went all the way around the whole stroke, and now you're on the what?
Back up again.
Overlap stroke, you dumbass. Put your finger over the hole. Is it blowing or sucking? It ain't doing anything because you went past where you're supposed to be. All you had to do is go the other direction of that wheel 1 inch, and you would have been right where you wanted to be. But instead, you wanted to go all the way around again.
Okay.
You like doing this.
I didn't want to.
You did it because you don't understand the difference between back and forward down
I
here.
still went too far right now?
If it's sucking, that means the valves are closed.
Okay. Now it's blowing. Nothing.
Okay, put the screwdriver in the hole. Did it hit something? That means it's very close to top center. No suck, no blow means you're close. Unless you're on the overlap stroke and the valves are open. Didn't do anything either. Okay, now grab them push rods and push them up and down.
They're not moving either.
They're not moving either. So we have no collapsed lifter. So why are they making noise?
Could the lifters be like sorry for oil during the run or something?
We got thin braking oil going out of the system, which is 15 weight. We got extremely heavy valve spring tension,
Yes.
and because somebody wanted those in there. And it's coming and going when they're working, so I don't know. Okay, go ahead and put the sparking plugs back in there. Go ahead and put it in neutral. You don't have to do it in that order. You can pick the order you want or do it in.
Neutral.
Check the oil tank, see if there's any oil in it.
I didn't need today, no.
That was a statement of things to do.
Yeah, it's still right there at the line.
Right where it went yesterday.
A little bit lower yesterday, but I think it must have settled a little bit.
So we didn't suck a whole bunch of oil in the cranks. That means the oil pump check valve is working. That's a plus. So the motor all seems to be physically in good condition, which is always a good thing.
Any thoughts on the oil drip from the exhaust thing last night? Assembly loop maybe?
I don't know what that was from yet. Have you looked up even up there yet today? I don't think I saw you look
I don't see
there.
any more drips either.
I don't see you looking there yet. So you use a medium screwdriver blade. Just collapse it and push in at the same time. In she goes. Twist it to make sure it's centered. No pop. No pop means it's sealed. So Joe had some oil.
Is the spark plug stopped over there still?
He had some oil in his regulator, and we had some oil dripping off the exhaust flange up here. Now Joe might have really put a lot of oil up in there when he lubricated them bolts, and maybe there was a drip coming down, because I didn't see anything in the exhaust system denoting oil flow.
When I put what? On the stud?
Yes. So I would suggest that you wipe that down really well up there.
Okay.
And then if it gets re-wet, we'll know it's got a problem. And what would that problem be?
Valve seals?
I mean, you got a hell of a lot of oil in your combustion chamber. Now, you had that spark plug out. Did you look at the spark plug before you even put them in there?
And they look clean to me.
Okay, there's no oil on them, was there?
No.
So that means that's good.
You want to plug the wires back?
So that means a chance of oil coming out of the exhaust port and not in the spark plug means what?
It's probably not the
That means you have a
valves.
serious amount of valve guide issues back here, or you put too much oil in the exhaust ducts. Which one are you gonna go with?
I'm right at the moment. I'm going to go with I put too much oil on the exhaust studs.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan. I like that one. Okay, now we got the muffler off.
It's gonna sound good now.
We can go over here and look at this exhaust pipe and see if we have any evidence of oil flow. You know what? I don't see anything except black hole. Black hole. There's a lot of black in that hole. I'm taking these were used pipes and they're not clean before we ran
Yes,
them.
sir. Yeah, 100%.
Because they're really rich.
You know, I said my carburetor.
And those spark plugs did not look really rich because they were nice and clean looking. Which means somebody must have had the idle mixture adjusted pretty quickly before they blackened them up last night.
Idle mixture. I don't think they just got blackened yesterday though. I think they were old blackened. I hadn't run the pipes for a long time.
Yeah, but the spark plugs were brand new.
Yeah, and they look good, right?
They were good.
Okay, they're on.
Okay, I need an air cleaner vacuum plate. I'm going to go ahead and put that installed. The interruptions are going already. Oh, that is going to be a big interruption. Hello. Hi. I got to do a parts order. We'll be back. Alright, so Joe has a problem with the air cleaner mounting system. Evidently somebody installed the intake manifold too high and the bolt don't line up. What are you waiting for? Did you loosen them up yet?
Pardon me?
Did you loosen them up yet?
No.
Why not? I gave you a hex
not?
bolt. Remember I gave you that hex bolt?
Yeah, I got it. Where does having trenches go?
Well, there's one right there,
put
but
them away?
where's the one that you had out? There should be one in the bucket, one on the
Close
table.
end right here.
I can use that. No, I don't need one for that. I got
Why don't you use this one laying on top?
I'm not doing the clutch cable anymore. I thought I always had to have two now for everything.
See, that
I only
goes
need
there.
one.
Give me my wrench back. Give me my wrench back.
That cable looks much better.
Did you notice that?
Yeah, it looks much shorter.
You shouldn't have seen what we did wrong.
We didn't. How did you know? We didn't post that yet.
What did you do wrong?
We had all kinds of things messed up.
You got to watch the videos.
You're 2 days late on these videos, man. I'm watching you put
Hey.
the rocker covers on this morning.
It takes time to do this crap.
I am like
Joe makes me work all night, and then I'm supposed to go in the house, and then download
go in the
videos,
house and-
download videos all night, get them ready to upload. Then I gotta wait an hour for them to upload. Assuming the fucking Cox cable even lets me upload, which half the time it doesn't. Bastards over there. And so I just go to bed. And as soon as I wake up, everybody wants me to work.
You took out that whole
Damn.
joint.
Oh, you
that whole-
assembled it wrong.
Well, now let's see you on the
Oh,
phone
there's, a
with
whole
me
bunch,
again.
there's a stack of washers on that old cable
Here, you're on. Take
and
this
O-rings
one. Do some work.
that we didn't put in there. I'm missing the one I need.
Oh wait, we're recording. Let's not say that we didn't.
Yeah, I'll fill you in. The old cable that we took out, there was about 6 washers on that thing, making the length, like the inside cable was too long or something like that, you know? But they had a thing that's called easy pull, that's what that whole
That
whole thing,
leverage.
how the cable's at an angle.
Yeah.
But we couldn't get to adjust out of it, there was too much cable. We could not, we all snack out, we got just so it completely fall apart. So, he took a look at it, and he goes, oh, you guys do this and that, and I go, oh, I don't know what we did down there, you know?
I just remember we just put those 3 balls back in, put the
You know,
snap
we
ring.
took the whole system. The one, some is still in there, but some is not in there anymore. He goes, look, any idea what that might be? The way that cable's so bent like that? You think that's right?
See, and you said that there's only one way it could go.
There was that whole easy pull system on this. What's called? That thing was making it all messed up.
Did we switch this tire around?
We eliminate, not yet. Haven't loaded this. So
Gonna have to- Can't ride it backwards. Oh,
it works fine.
we got oil on the ground right here.
From what?
I don't know. You're dripping from
Is it blue?
Yeah, it's probably leftover.
Is it blue?
Yeah.
Oh, there's no, we don't have no blue in the engine. So I'm coming out that transmission cover then.
Yeah, look. Oh, it's leaking from that transmission cover.
Don't tell me.
Yes, sir. We got blue stuff all over that thing. Are they tight enough? You put the torque wrench on it.
Yeah, it may just be some residual from that too, but I probably not.
You got a dirty rag? I mean, at least.
Take any rag you want, man. A whole bunch back there, not too bad. A little bit dirty in the back.
Are these not touch? You can't touch these ones?
Here.
Yeah, so hopefully, next week
Everything's in the fucking way, man.
Alright, so should have replaced that gasket.
I hope it's just some residual left over in the
We're trying to.
on that brake cylinder.
Yeah, I think it's just from it all dripping off.
What are you dripping over there?
It's bleeding blue right there. You got a blue dot on the
Did you
ground.
find an oil leak?
I think it's just when he opened that, it's
I
just
think
run
Joe
off.
put that there on purpose to make me think there's something wrong.
I didn't even see it, Jeremy. Just
What's going on here?
If it's dripping off the rear brake master cylinder, it's spillage.
yeah, that's what I'm told. It's just residual.
No, I mean it's coming off of this little plug. What is this plug for?
Oh, well, these strain plugs, Joe likes leaving plugs loose. I'd make sure that's...
No, not a plug. Like wires, electrical wires.
That'd be called spillage. He'd dripped all over
Is
everything.
it pull apart?
No, I mean that's probably just
One's
runoff.
for the regulator and one's for
I mean
the
you're still like bubbles on this thing
You didn't
too.
clean your bike off yet.
I thought I did.
Gas tank.
I got mine broke loose.
What?
Gas tank looks
Freed
clean.
up?
Yeah.
Freed up?
Read up.
Freed up!
I'll give it a little bit more, maybe. A little more.
There we
Feel
go.
Did it move?
It's right in line.
Smooth now.
Do you put those bolts to get them started or what?
I like to have that stuff started before you button it back up again.
What happened the first time?
We didn't have a carbonator.
Typical.
We had a gas tank in the way I couldn't put
Oh, you're running it over here too.
That made all the difference.
Well, it was too sharp of a 90 to turn that in when I came up on that side, but
I know, that's why I got to put the correct cable back in it. Not only is that the correct cable for overall length, it's the correct cable for the inner length. Because the other one's a half-inch different.
It was a little messed up with
There's a multitude of issues we had to deal with yesterday afternoon.
a whole bunch
Last night.
a bunch of things.
Not to mention he lost all the hardware folding exhaust pipes on.
And all these washers were in that cable and a seal.
oh
We didn't put the seal
my god.
in. You're missing the seal
It was
also.
all screwed up.
Hey, I didn't see it come apart.
Lots of surprises going on.
That's all I'm gonna say. I didn't
Found the
see it
stuff
come
on the
apart.
floor and on the table. What's all that junk? I had to figure it out.
I'm trying to make it lightweight for racing.
No, there's extra parts on there. I took the parts off.
We eliminated that easy pull system.
What are you doing over there?
Trying to put this.
Well, these are spacers for that. Covered.
Oh, you're hiding hardware from me.
I just need a couple of small